It is also the religious what locally called on this one, they shaping or structuring
say this that I, having been elected as a representative to the upper house from the state of Meghalaya, it is indeed a great privilege for me to be given this memorandum, and I assure the members of the Samurai Club, our honorable minister, who is also the local MLA of this area, of this constituency, that I will be making a contribution to this project for the construction of additional infrastructure here. And it may not be to the tune of 34 lakhs, but I will definitely make a contribution of 20 lakhs to your organization for the work here. Once again, this is such a wonderful thing to witness here. I have been to Vedanta festivals in the past, but it never ceases to amaze me the kind of energy, the kind of the love that is there in the air right now. And even though today the Vedanta festival is meant as a festival to drive away the plague, even though the plague is not there anymore. But yet, I think the festival really has become a symbolism of how community can come together and how, as a community, in our unity, we can fight together to do away with not just the plague, but whatever challenges that we as a society, as a community face even today.